I'm 44 years old. I had lower blepharoplasty surgery 2 years ago for hereditary lower eyelid bags with using subcutaneous method by a general plastic surgeon. After the surgery, I ended up with severely retracted eyelids. My surgeon mentioned that with chemotherapy treatment, massage, and tape, that my eyelids would go back to their original position. I tried that for 6 months to a year. My final option that my original surgeon had given me was to perform a canthopexy, which would leave my eyes looking a bit slanted, and that was not an acceptable option for me. So I wanted to look for a second opinion. I made appointments with 3 oculoplastic surgeons in the LA area. One of them was Dr. Taban. 2 of the surgeons had mentioned to me that I would look better if I tried the Restylane injections versus the surgery, and that I may not be happy with the surgery. And Dr. Taban from the beginning had mentioned that the best long-term solution for me would be to have reconstructive surgery. And even though I felt very comfortable with Dr. Taban, I was so afraid of surgery, I thought I'd try the Restylane injections first. I tried several treatments which slightly improved the position of my lids, but they were still retracted. And at that point, I had spent almost $3,000. I went back to Dr. Taban and asked him if he could do more fillers, and he again reminded me that the best long-term solution would be reconstructive surgery. So I scheduled an appointment with Dr. Taban, and I have to say that he is the one person I felt most comfortable with from the beginning. But again, because I was afraid of surgery, I tried the different route first. So I scheduled my surgery, and everything went very smoothly. I was swollen for a couple of weeks, and even though I had a lot of swelling and my eyes still weren't completely healed, I just was so happy with that result in itself, because it was a huge improvement from how I looked prior to the surgery. And now when I look in the mirror, I just can't believe how natural everything looks. And I do have to say that after my surgery, Dr. Taban followed up with me. He was available because I had many questions, and he answered everything immediately. And his team is great. They were very helpful and supportive, and I just felt very comfortable with everyone overall. But most importantly, I can't believe how natural my eyes look. My family can't believe it. My husband, my girlfriend, who's a dermatologist, has been recommending patients to Dr. Taban since she saw my eyes, and she's very grateful to him, as am I. And if you are considering any type of eye surgery, I would recommend that you seek out an oculoplastic surgeon, but I highly recommend Dr. Taban, because he is empathetic, intelligent, has a great education and background, and he did an amazing job. I feel like it's a miracle.